Good morning students, welcome to online classes. Hope you all are fit and fine. Today we will study lesson 6, plants in the surroundings and environment. Plants are one of the most essential living things on earth. They are immensely beneficial to both animals and human beings as they produce oxygen, which is very important for the survival of living organisms. Trees provide shelter to animals, that is the place to live, and are also known for their medicinal benefits like tulsi, neem, etc. Overall, different parts of plant have different roles to perform. Today in this video, we will learn about different parts of plant and its function. A plant has many parts. Different parts have different functions. The part of the plant that appears above the ground level, that is above the soil, is called the shoot system, while the part of the plant which lies underneath the soil, that is underground, is called the root system. The main part of plants include roots, stem, leaves, flower and fruits. Roots are the most important and underground part of a plant, that is, root grows under the ground, which are collectively called the root system. They are the major part that anchors, that is, hold the plant firmly in the soil. They are brown in color and hard. There are two types of roots, the taproot and the fibrous root. A taproot has a thick main root, that is the primary root. It has branches coming out of it called the secondary roots. Still, smaller roots which are very thin come out of the secondary roots. These are called tertiary roots. Trees like peepal, gulmohar, neem, jamun and mango have taproots. Taproot prevents big and tall trees from getting uprooted during storm. The next kind of root is fibrous root. It spreads sideways holding soil particles together. This helps prevent erosion of the soil. Fibrous root do not grow very long. Grass, wheat, rice, barley have fibrous roots. Now let's learn about the function of root. Roots perform the following functions. Number 1. Root of a plant spread underground and hold the upper part of the plant firmly in the soil. That is, they anchor the plant firmly in the soil and give support to the plant. Number 2. Roots absorb water and minerals from the soil and send it up to the plant. Number 3. Some roots store food for the plant and become thick. For example, sweet potato, turnip, radish and carrot. Number 4. In some plants, new plants grow from their roots like sweet potato. That is, they help in reproduction. The next part of plant is stem. The stem is the part of the plant which is found above the ground, that is above the soil. The bark of the trees are brown in color and younger stems are green in color. It forms the basis of the shoot system. What is shoot system? It is the part of the plant that is grown above the ground and bears leaves, fruits and flowers. Trees have one thick stem with many branches. As you can see in the picture, the stem of the tree is very thick and it has many branches, right? Now, a shrub has many stems of almost the same size growing together. So, what is shrub? It is a woody plant smaller than a tree, usually having multiple permanent stems branching from or near the ground. And herbs have short, soft and green stems. The stems of climbers and creepers are very thin and weak. They need support to grow. The stems of all plants are connected to the roots of their plant. That is, the stem and roots are attached. They make a channel from roots to stem, to branches, and to the leaves, flowers, fruits, and bud. Now, let's learn what are the functions of stem. Stem have different functions. Number 1, the stem helps to transport water and minerals from the roots to other part of the plant. It also helps to bring ready food from the leaves to other parts, including the roots. Number 2, the stem bear branches in different directions to maintain the balance and to allow leaves to capture maximum sunlight. Number 3, the branches which are part of stem bear leaves, buds, flowers and fruits. Number 4, some stems store food for the plant. For example, potato and ginger. Number 5, some stems help plants to reproduce. New plants grow from stems like rose, hibiscus and sugarcane grow this way. Now, next part of plant is leaves. Leaves are the most important part of the plant. Different plants have leaves of different shapes and sizes. Banana tree have big leaves, while mint have small leaves, and coconut tree have feather-like leaves. The leaves grow in different pattern to receive maximum sunlight. Leaves get its green color from chlorophyll. Though leaves of different plant are different, they have some common features. So let's learn about the structure of leaves. Parts of leaf. The leaf blade is the flat part of the leaf. It helps to trap a lot of sunlight. The thick tube passing through the center is the main vein or midrib. We can see the smaller veins originating from the main vein. These are called side veins. The main vein and the side veins have tiny tubes inside them. Some tubes carry water and nutrients to the leaf, while others carry food from the leaves to different parts of the plants. When we look the leaf under the microscope, we can see numerous tiny pores or opening on the lamina. These pores or opening are called stomata. They are present in large numbers on the lower surface of the leaf. Stomata helps in exchange of gases with the environment. Now let's learn about the function of leaves. Primarily, leaves have following three functions. First is photosynthesis. Photo is derived from the Greek word phos, which means light, and synthesis means putting together. The special way in which plants make their food is called photosynthesis. In the process of photosynthesis, chlorophyll, the green color in the leaves, traps energy from the sun to act upon carbon dioxide that it gets from the air and water from the soil to make glucose, that is the plant food, and release oxygen, which is given off into the air as a waste product. Thus, the main function of the leaf is to make food for the plant. Other than photosynthesis, leaves play a crucial role in the removal of excess of water from plants through tiny pores called stomata. This is the process of transpiration. Leaves keep the plant cool. The extra water in the plant keeps evaporating from its leaves through stomata. Evaporation keeps the plant cool and alive in scorching heat also. This process of releasing water from the leaves by a plant is called transpiration. Next is reproduction. Leaves of some plants help in reproduction also. For example, leaves of bryophyllum give rise to a new bryophyllum plant. Such leaves are heavier and remain near the ground. Now let's learn about the uses of plants. Plants are very useful to us. Plants give us many things to eat. Cereals, fruits, vegetables, nuts, spices are some of them. Besides food, plants are useful to us in many other ways. A large number of plants are used for their wood. The wood is used to make parts of buildings like doors, windows, and also to make furniture. The railway track have big planks of wood. Oak, sal, spruce, teak are some of the trees with heartwood. Your pencils, tables, and chairs are made from wood that comes from trees. We get many types of fibers also from trees. Cotton, jute, hemp, flax are some of the plants which gives us fibers. Clothes are made from cotton fiber and linen fiber. Jute and coconut fibers are used to make ropes, mats, etc. Jute fiber comes from the stem of the plant. We make sacks and bags from jute. Rubber for tires and tubes of vehicles and toys is made from the juice of rubber tree. Paper is made from the soft wood of trees like bamboos, pine tree, oak and spruce tree. People use soft branches of bamboos to make baskets and furnitures. Some flowers are used to make perfumes. Some floral scents are used in some food also, like rose water is made from rose petals. Plants make our surroundings beautiful. They clean air for us by taking in carbon dioxide and giving out oxygen during photosynthesis, which are used by humans and animals to breathe. Plants are home of many animals and birds and insects. Dry parts of plant that fall off mix with soil and make it rich in minerals. Thus, we should grow as many plants as possible. Each and every part of plant are useful to us. We should grow more and more plants. With this, we come to the end of the chapter. Hope you understood the structure and function of part of plants and how plants are useful to us. Thank you and have a nice day.